Amoy, ano na, amoy fresh, amoy kahoy.
I think we stop here. I think we stop here. Yeah.
No, oy.
That was here.
No, over there, the first one.
Dans 2,6 km, tournez à droite sur rue du Clos de la Sauterelle. Puis tournez à droite
Amoy
sur
fresh
rue
air
Papineau.
na, amoy.
We stop here.
How can you stop? No parking.
I'm going to take 1 liter milk before us. I
Okay.
don't have bottle. Oh shit.
I have bottle.
You have bottle?
Yeah. But I have water. I put water.
Yeah, we take out the water because
Okay.
we're going to put the milk inside.
Okay. Smell fresh na siya. Smell fresh. Smell dahon ng mga dahon. Smell dahon. Dahon.
One, we're going to. We are have to familiar now.
Careful ha. Dahon. Ah. The trees. Ano yan? Ano kaya itong farm na to? Parang ano, wet? Wet. No bus.
Huh?
No bus here. You need a car because no bus. No bus anymore.